These are the air conditioning equipment at a hotel, and those two are clearly condensers for the air conditioners, and these two, not so sure, just exhaust ducts. But anyways, here's the pipes or water flows or refrigerants or cold water. And I don't know why they put a plant there. And this thing's not actually so noisy at all. I don't hear a thing. Just hear what I call wind noises. I don't hear any hum or whatever. Okay. These are the air conditioning equipment once again, and I'm going to show you one of the fan coils, which is in my room. Okay. Here's the unit. Auto mode. 9 degrees Celsius. On a fan, low, medium, high. Now it's temperature is 17 degrees Celsius. Oh, I'm gonna lower it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.